Hello everyone, welcome to the Aftermarket Report by Zerodha. I'm Tarun and today is the 18th December. This is a bit of an experiment. A lot of you have been asking us to do a quick video summary of the Aftermarket Report. We already write it, but honestly, with the thin timelines, we couldn't get to the video format. But we are giving it a try. Let us know what you think and share your feedback in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Let's talk about what happened in the markets today. The Nifty opened 38 points lower at 24,297.95 and gave us a bit of a hope early on, climbing nearly 100 points to touch 24,394. But that optimism didn't last. The market turned bearish, tumbling 170 points to test 24,225, followed by another brief attempt to climb back over 24,300. And then another sharp drop. By the end of the day, Nifty closed at 24,198.95, down 0.56%. Not exactly inspiring confidence. Now, what's driving this uncertainty? Two major things. First, the Fed's interest rate decision later tonight, which has everyone on the edge. And second, the GST Council meeting coming up this weekend, which could bring some important policy updates. Looking at the broader market, it wasn't a great day. Only 878 stocks advanced, down from 953 yesterday, while 1,922 stocks declined, showing clear negative market breadth. Sector-wise, it was mostly red. Media, PSU banks and metals took the hardest hits, with banks dropping nearly 1.3%. Autos weren't far behind, down 0.75%. Amidst the red, Pharma gained over 1% and IT managed a 0.25% rise, holding steady ahead of the Fed decision. On the technical side, the options data is telling us a story. The maximum call open interest is at 24,500, with massive additions at the 24,200 and 24,300 strikes, 79 lakhs and 85 lakhs contracts respectively. This suggests strong resistance levels for tomorrow. On the downside, support lies at 24,000 and 23,900. So if you're tracking Nifty tomorrow, these are the levels to watch. Now let's dive into the stock-specific action. Three IPOs had a stellar debut today: Vishal Mega Mart, MobiKwik and Sai Life Sciences. Vishal Mega Mart opened with a bang at 104 and closed at 111, up 43.5%. MobiKwik stole the show, though surging 89% to 528. Sai Life Sciences wasn't far behind, gaining 39% to close at 764. A solid day for these new entrants. But not everyone had a good day. VA Tech Wabag took a 11% hit after their 2,700 crore Saudi desalination project got cancelled. Tough day for the company, but that's how the market rolls sometime. In other updates, the rupee hit an all-time low of 84.9 rupees against the dollar. It's under pressure from capital outflows, slower growth and speculation about an RBI rate cut. Meanwhile, Marico got some relief as the Supreme Court ruled that coconut oil in small packs will be taxed as edible oil, not hair oil. That's a win for both manufacturers and consumers. Here are a few more headlines from the day. Edelweiss Financial Services shares gained after the RBI lifted restrictions on two of its group, ECL Finance Limited and Edelweiss Asset Reconstruction Company. Kalpataru Projects raised 1,000 crores through a QIP to strengthen its balance sheet and expand its power and infra business. Airtel is improving connectivity in North Kashmir, deploying mobile towers along the line of control. These will serve both local villages and military outposts. NMDC shares fell 6% after news broke out about Karnataka increasing the iron ore mining duty, which could significantly impact the company's finances. Switching gears, let's talk tech and global trends. On the global front, Honda and Nissan are in talks for a joint venture to compete in the EV market, potentially bringing Mitsubishi into the mix. Microsoft made headlines for its massive AI push, buying 485,000 Nvidia Hopper chips, far outpacing competitors like Meta. And a quick update on inflation. The UK's annual inflation ticked up to 2.6% in November, driven by higher prices in recreation, housing and food. To wrap it all up, here are some interesting snippets from management chatter. Sandhya J from Narayana Health talked about how affordability is being addressed through government schemes, but inflation in the medical industry remains a challenge. Tata Chemicals MD R. Mukundan highlighted the pivot to value-added products, citing high energy costs in Europe as a major challenge for chemical companies. Rushank Shah from Huptown mentioned their plans to monetize their land bank within city limits to reduce debt and grow profits over the next few years. So, where does all of this leave us? The markets are clearly in a wait and watch mode, with the Fed's decision and GST Council meeting likely to dictate the next move. Keep an eye on those resistance and support levels and stay tuned for more updates. Alright, that's it from me today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.